what's up? Garrett back in another video. So today I'm going to be making a Cheez-Its pizza. So today I have pan, thin crust pizza, tomato sauce, and some Italian cheese, and of course some Cheez-Its. I got the Italian 4 cheese, I don't know why. Okay, so first what you're going to need is a pan. You can, non-stick pan. Actually, I don't know if it's non-stick or not, but you're gonna need to get some Crisco, so lather it up so it doesn't get stuck to the pan. Never mind, I don't have any of that. Okay, so let's see. First, we're gonna start with this pizza. Okay. Let's lay that on there. First, what we're gonna want to do is open this. Okay. So now what we're gonna do? I don't have a ladle, so. I guess already gonna go on. So first, pour it on, smooth it out. That looks good. Technique is key. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Next, what you're gonna wanna do, sprinkle the Cheez-Its on there. So, we're gonna get this thingy, I don't know what it's called. The blender, it's like a food blender. Okay, time to blend this. Shoot. Okay, I just finished it. Time to put it on the pizza. So now that we got our ingredients, or Cheez-It mix, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Just pour it straight on or what? I guess so. Okay, so first you just want to sprinkle all the Cheez-It mix you got on there. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sprinkle it all around, because some of them aren't crushed, and plus you got to spread them out. Okay, next we're going to layer on the cheese. So we got this essential everyday Italian cheese. Yo, there's still bars in here. Okay, now to finish it off, you're gonna top it off with some Cheez-Its. Okay, so now we're gonna pop in the pizza. That kind of backfired. Now I'm gonna use the oven. Okay, I'm pretty sure the 6 minutes is up. That crying in the background that you've been hearing was my dog. Louie. Focus, okay. Focus. Louie. Okay. It looks cooked. Doesn't look that good though. That looks mad nasty. I almost forgot, if you like this video, comment of what you want me to do next. I can do other pizzas, or I can do challenges or whatever. I know you guys, people in real life have told me, do a challenge, but I haven't got to it, so I'm sorry about that. I have a lot of responsibilities right now. I'm in a lot of baseball practice and stuff like that. So like and comment, and tell me what you want to do next.